Today is January 13th, and it's the first new moon of the new calendar year, and a great time to get really clear on your intentions and goals for the next 12 months ahead. This is not a vision board tutorial. There's plenty of those on YouTube. I'm just sharing my process and some of the things that I want to manifest for my future. I personally celebrate my new year in May on my birthday, but January is a little bit more than the halfway point, so it's a great time for me to check in on my progress. For me, the next 5 months are all about embracing ease, inviting in levity, and practicing nonviolence with myself. This year is really about cultivating an abundant state of being and releasing rigidity in my life. Let me know in the comments below some of what you're cultivating in the next season. Be well, everyone.